If you can understand different podcasts but struggle to speak English, this video is made for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to start speaking. We're going to practice different conversations together. Are you ready? Let's begin. In this episode, I want to teach you how to ask personal questions and how to answer them in a simple way. When we want to ask simple questions about someone's name, there are a few different ways to do it. The first one is very simple, and most of you probably know it already. What is your name? Or what's your name? Both mean the same thing. Please repeat after me. What's your name? Very good. To answer this question, you have a few options. You can just say your first name. Or you can answer with your full name. For example, if I ask, "What's your name?" you can say, "I'm Mike." Or you can answer with your full name. For example, if I ask, "What's your name?" you can say, "I'm Mike." Let's move on to another question. Sometimes we want to ask about just the first name. If you ask me, "What is your first name?" I can answer, "I'm Emma," or "My first name is Emma." The second one is your last name or family name. Different countries use different terms. I can ask, "What is your last name?" or "What is your family name?" What is your last name? Very good. Very good. My last name is... The next question is about nicknames. We all have a first name and a last name, right? Right? But sometimes people call us something different. For example, I'm Emma, but my friends or family might call me M. That's my nickname. What's your nickname? I could answer, my nickname is M. Are you single? Are you engaged? Are you married? Or are you divorced? You can answer with I'm single, I'm engaged, I'm married, I'm divorced. Repeat after me. I'm single, I'm engaged, I'm married. Perfect. I'm divorced. Very good. If someone is married, we can ask about children. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? You can answer with a short, yes, I do. But if you want to give more detail, you can say, yes, I have one son, or yes, I have 2 daughters. Repeat after me. Do you have any children? Perfect. Yes, I have one son. Yes, I have 2 daughters. Remember, if you have one son or daughter, you don't add an S at the end. If you have more than one, you need the S. 2 sons, 3 sons, 4 daughters, 5 daughters. Or you can say, I don't have any children. I don't have any children. I don't have any children. Perfect. We have 2 common questions about work. One is, what do you do? The other is, what is your job? You can answer, I'm an engineer, or I'm a teacher. If you don't have a job right now, you can say, I'm currently not working, or I don't work. Repeat after me. What do you do? What is your job? Perfect. Perfect. If you want to continue the conversation about work, we can ask, where do you work? I work at a school as a teacher. That's a great, complete answer. Or, I work in a hospital as a doctor. I work in a shop as a salesperson. Repeat after me. Where do you work? I work at a school as a teacher. Very good. Say it again. Say it again. I work at a school as a teacher. You can say, I'm from Mexico. I'm from Nigeria. Or, I'm from Canada. But we have another question. I'm Brazilian. Or, I'm Chinese. Those are nationalities. Another question about where you live. Where do you live? Please be careful here. You cannot use are in this question. I often see the mistake I'm live in the comments, and that is not correct. We don't use am, is, or are with the verb live. Okay, repeat after me. Where do you live? Perfect. I live in, say your country here. I live in, very good. If you want to ask about family members, we have a few questions. Do you have any brothers and sisters? Or instead of saying brothers and sisters, we can say siblings. Do you have any siblings? You can answer with a short yes, I do. Yes, I have is use yes, I do. Or no, I don't. For a longer answer, yes, I have an older brother. Yes, I have a younger sister. Repeat after me. Yes, I have one older brother and two younger sisters. Very good, great. Do you live with your family? Or do you live with your parents? Yes, I live with my family. Yes, I live with my parents and my siblings. Repeat after me. Do you live with your family? Yes, I live with my family. Who are your family members? This means, who lives with you? You can answer, I live with my parents. Besides that, my grandmother and grandfather also live with me. Grandparents means grandmother and grandfather, and parents means mother and father. And siblings means brothers and sisters. And now let's move past family questions. I want to ask about your hobbies, your interests. What are your hobbies? Or what do you do for fun? I can answer, my hobby is reading books. My hobby is hanging out with friends. Or my hobbies are reading books and watching movies. Repeat after me. What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun? My hobby is reading books. My hobbies are reading books and watching TV. Perfect. We have another question. What do you do in your free time? We can also change the ending. What do you do on Fridays? What do you do in the morning? In the morning. What do you do every day? I watch movies. I watch TV in my free time. I always play video games in my free time. Repeat after me. What do you do in your free time? I always watch TV in my free time. Okay? Now it's time to practice a conversation. This conversation is between me and you. Are you ready? I'll ask some questions and you answer. What is your first name? How many brothers and sisters do you have? What do you do in your free time? I often hang out with my friends. I don't have any brothers or sisters. What about you? Where do you live? That's great. What is your hobby? I'm an English teacher. That's it. That was a short conversation between you and me.
You can learn English easily with me because I'm teaching you simple rules and simple sentences that you need for daily conversations. Speaking English isn't strange or difficult if you know how to learn. But most of you have one big problem. You don't focus on my teaching. You need to have a notebook to write down everything, new words, new grammar rules.
You are a learner, and a learner should have a notebook to review everything, every day, every week. So please focus on my tips and my teaching. I want you to write everything you've learned from this video in the comments. Tell me what you think about this teaching style. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and thank you very much. Good luck, everyone. Don't forget to study. See you!